Watch Hobby. Today I will doing a very short review on this Orient Monarch manual winding mechanical watch. Very vintage in terms of how it looks. Very thin lugs, as you can see there. Font 1930s. Fonts. Power reserve at 12 o'clock, and that's it. Even the branding, the print text on the dial itself is kept to a bare minimum, as you can see here. The watch is very cheap, but first glance you would be mistaken for a rather mid to high end price timepiece. Here you can see that the crown itself is an onion shaped crown. Again, going back to its vintage roots. It's paired with original leather strap, as well as a nice sign buckle, as you can see here. The glass is actually mineral glass, but it's dome, so you can actually see the refraction when you view it at a certain angle. So that makes it look very nice. Although I would love if it could have been sapphire, but if Orient decide to put sapphire crystal on this, the price will be way above what they are actually pricing it. As I said, it is a manual winding watch, so it is a mechanical movement. So as you can see here, can't see much, but at least from this perspective, you will notice that all the gears are there. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, below under the description below is a link to a full written review about this watch, so do have a look at it. Anyway, thank you so much.